The first thing you want to do when developing your trading plan is figure out who you are as a trader. This is important so that you can figure out which method of trading is going to best suit you. Everyone is different and not one trading plan fits all. Trading strategies, systems, and methods which aren't compatible with your profile and personality will drastically lower your chances of success. So before jumping into your MT4 and clicking the buy or sell button, there are some questions you should ask yourself to help you develop your best trading plan. I would even get out a sheet of paper if I were you while we go over a lot of this and write down any thoughts you have. I'll go over a few questions as well that will help you figure out what trading plan is for you. And the first question I have for you is, why do you want to be a Forex trader? Do you want to make a lot of money? Are you just trying to find something that challenges you or brings excitement to your life? Or do you have something to prove to someone, maybe a parent or friend, maybe prove to someone that you can actually be successful on your own? It's really important to know why you are doing this, because traders who aren't serious about this or committed to sticking to this and learning will quickly get unmotivated and give up. Next, what is your goal for trading? I want you to have this written down and for your goal to be specific. You can express your goal monetarily using a profit goal, either in dollar amount or percentage return, and by a specific date. So for example, you might have the goal to make $10,000 a month consistently after 1 year of trading. Or you might have a goal to get a 5% return consistently every week. Or maybe you have a short-term goal of trying to make an extra $100 a week. Or maybe your goal is to double your account in 6 months. Whatever your goal is, write it down and be specific. Don't just say, I want to be rich or something like that that's not specific. This will help you develop as a trader. So by making your goals specific and measurable, not only will you know what you really want, but you'll be able to monitor your progress and see whether you are actually improving or not.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.